I didn't forget.
There's a big, yeah, Dan didn't forget, but he watched us end the video and didn't say anything.
Magic and editing.
Hey guys, Brian here from 5 to Go. Back at you with slide topper issues, and actually, rather, it's slide topper fixes this time, because I'm here with my buddy Dan, who's the original Roadrunner, if you all want to be jealous of someone. OG. And we did the bedroom slide topper a couple weeks ago, and now we have the big one. And I didn't record the small one because we wanted to focus on figuring out how to do it. We knew we were going to be doing two. Yeah. So the other one was 80 inches, not too bad. This one is 164 inches. So this is going to be quite a bigger job. But it is pretty straightforward. So we're going to walk you through it. These are Carefree of Colorado slide toppers. And unfortunately, the model name is slide topper. So if you try and Google it, it's not going to help you very much. I went up there and cleared it off. So I'm going to have Aaron run the room in. And then we'll get up there and we'll talk about how this thing comes off. We're going to replace the fabric, put it back up. And that's pretty much it. It sounds quick. It's going to take a little while. But that's the process. So let's get to it. All right, first screw is down. So we take you up here and show you what we're working with here. This telescoping ladder is very handy. So this is what the bracket looks like. If you remember from the other video, I had to cut the fabric off and zip tied it all the way down. So basically this bracket here has a couple screws on the underside, and that's what Dan removed or is removing. And then this whole bracket just kind of slides. And I took the spindle screw out here, so when he pulls that bracket, this should just slide right out. We are gonna have to get, this is the, I don't even know what to call this, just the little rubber hose thingy. I don't know what to call that, but that's gonna have to slide out. And the challenge here is this channel goes all the way up there to the front. So we're gonna have to take that spout off and all this. So we'll get to that in a second. So are you?
I'm ready.
You're ready?
We're sliding towards you, we're sliding towards me.
Towards you. You had to hit it, didn't you?
Yeah, I may need a mallet.
Oh, geez. All right, we're back with a mallet. Oh, whoa, whoa, okay. It definitely moved.
Yeah.
All right, I am loose.
Tell me when. Okay to keep going?
I'm good, yeah. Sorry. Don't drop it. On the one on the other side, we dropped one of these screws and it took us, what, 10 minutes to find it? 15 minutes? Dan was looking for it, I was looking for it, Brooke was looking for it. We pulled out the magnet wand trying to clip it up out of the grass. Eventually found it. Pull towards me? Oh! Clear?
Yep, I gotta get the screw out though. I don't want to drop it.
Got it? All right.
This is very long.
Is it long?
Yeah.
I think I said that earlier and you're like, that's not too bad.
Javelin maybe? Pole vault?
All right, got my trusty knife. Actually, this is kind of a crappy one, but it'll cut. Dan's gonna go up and remove the downspout, which is actually in the end of the channel that we need to slide things off and on. So that downspout needs to move, and in order to get the downspout off, you also have to undo that little cap clip thing up there. So he's gonna do that while I cut my zip ties off, and then we'll show you how the fabric comes off and back on. Dan's having issues. Oh, look, we got a logo shot here.
Logo?
Oh, so it's the silicone holding it. It's like pulling a tooth.
Yes.
So the silicone was holding that screw in?
Yes. I think it's holding this too. Yeah, it is.
Oh, jeez. Oh, my Lord.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
All right.
We got it.
Clean that up before we put it back.
Yeah, so let's see what that looks like. So the spout has that little leg or arm or whatever peg
right in here.
Sticks into that channel. So this is the
Which
channel.
Is the same channel.
So this channel here is what the slide topper is going to ride in, and because the old one got all ripped up and tore out, the rubber that's inside of it that holds it in the channel is still in there. So we need to pull this out, get that channel clear so we can run the new one in. I just need to get it. Oh wait, are the screws still? Oh crap. The screws are still in. It's not gonna move.
Oh, okay.
Oh geez, yeah.
Is there a screw on your side?
Yeah, there's a screw here, and is the one in the back the one I took out? No, there's one back there too. All right, so it's a square bit. See that? Square bit. It looks like a Torx.
But it's not.
But it's not. It's 8 points. If you try to put a Torx in it, it's bigger than a 15 and smaller than a 20. It's a square bit. So if you're ever doing this, don't waste time running to the store like we did. I would call this a design flaw. This is the gutter, and those screws go through the gutter into this channel. And so what happens is stuff like pine needles hit this bolt and they stop, and then the gutter gets all gummed up. So he's gonna pull that one off, and then hopefully can pull this rubber out, because that screw goes down through the gutter and it's pinching this. Oh, fun with ladders. All right. There we go. See it sliding. Dan's ready to grab it. There you go.
Got it.
Gotta pull it all the way out.
Gee,
Gross.
it's nasty.
Nasty. So if you remember from the last video, that's the pin that I put in to disable the spring, because there's spring tension in here, which is what keeps this taut when it's on the RV. All right, this is something we did not have to do on the other one. So my open channel is this one here that is being hidden by this, I'm not even sure what this part does. I think it's part of what disables it when it goes in. So we'll just take that apart. There we go. So it's this thing off. Okay, so with that bracket out of the way, there's a screw here. And this screw, let me move the camera for just a second here. That screw is threaded in, not into the barrel itself, but it's threaded into the rubber, whatever. We need to come up with a name with
I
those.
called it a bead.
A bead? What about like a noodle? It's kind of
Fat part of the thing to keep it from coming out.
It's fat black rubber spaghetti. So it's kind of screwed in there and just grabbing onto that rubber part and keeping it from pulling back out. So you undo this. So that pulls all the way out, and then it lets go of the little rubber tube in there. So now I am going to take this zip tie off.
All right. No fingers.
No fingers.
Demonstration.
I'm leaving the pin in. We need to leave these pins in until everything's ready to go. So now this whole thing, we're gonna unravel it from here, and it'll all slide out of this channel. That's it. So the old one is off. All right. Oh, I haven't talked about these. So this is the first time seeing the new one. These are from Tough Top. What? That was a weird accent. Tough Top. These are from Tough Top Awnings. And I didn't want to talk about the brand until I had them and was able to use them. I like them. We put them in the other one. I ordered the same brand for this. They are double stitched on both sides. And it's actually a thicker material than the ones that came off. So I like these. So this is that noodle, I guess. It goes through a pocket all the way through, and then it's double stitched. So this lets it have tension put on it, and it doesn't pull the fabric through. So this skinny black one here is gonna go into the barrel, and then that big fat white one there is what we have to run into there all the way down there. Yeah. We just ran the fabric all the way through that channel, and then we evened it, or we made it so it was even on both ends of the drum here, an even amount of space on either end, and then we rolled it up, tried to get it as straight as possible. Let me see your end. I think that I actually ordered the topper. Yeah, this is how wide the old one was, so this one could have been 4 inches longer, but they're custom made, so I'm stuck with it. All right, so let's show you what this long screw does. So it goes in there and you just kind of put it in next to that black rubber piece, and then it just grabs it. Just keeps it from sliding back and forth. Oh, so it did creep my direction.
That's
All
it.
right. Erin's here.
Hi.
You came out just in time for ladder work.
I know. I was watching you guys.
Here, have a camera.
Thanks. Should I just have this on me? Y'all have
Yes.
missed me for this whole video. Now I'm here.
Finally, something to look at.
And the breeze is blowing through your hair.
Oh, it's just a lovely shot all around.
This is the not fun part. So we have to get this huge tube up to that corner where we took that downspout off.
You gotta start here though.
And we have to get that end of this white tube into where that downspout is. And then we have to slide this entire thing, we have to move the entire thing rearward, sliding this in.
This is why I have to help.
Yeah, this is why we have 3 ladders, because it's just so long. It's not particularly heavy. It just has to stay up there to be fed in.
Okay.
So you guys are going to sit on the table here and watch us, and hopefully all goes well, and then we'll get back with you once things are in place. Slide topper's on. Kids are out making a bunch of noise, and we're gonna run it out for the final time here. So the topper's good. It's just so long, and the tube itself bends that it kind of definitely comes down in the middle a little bit. But short of replacing the entire tube or maybe adding a support to it, I think that's about what it's gonna be for now. So we're done. Alrighty, so that's it. Hey, look, it's Vector. Hey, Vector. Hey, buddy. Hello. Vector got a haircut. He looks so much happier.
He did.
Alrighty, so that's it. That's 2 slide toppers. Dan's the man. So what's next? What are we doing now? Let me go talk to Erin. She's been quiet in today's episode.
Yeah, we have some things planned for Thanksgiving and hopefully some things planned for Christmas and December times. You might see another appearance of Dan and his family in the winter times.
Oh, yeah.
We already have some very exciting things planned at the beginning of December, so I'm excited.
Yeah, so make sure.
What you're talking about?
Yeah, that thing!
Okay.
Yeah, Dan knows.
Yes.
Yeah,
Alrighty.
so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And
Alrighty.
yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one.
Oh, there's Ben.
Say bye.
Say bye. Brooke, say bye. Vector, say bye.
Bye, you guys.
Bye, guys. So what did we forget to do?
I didn't forget.
There's a big, Dan didn't forget, but he watched us end the video and didn't say anything.
Magic and editing.
All right, we need to put the downspout back up there. And I'm gonna go get my tube of silicone. And it sounds like there's a storm coming. So we're gonna get up there, put the downspout back on, and then we're done. Right? All right, see you guys next video.